Shiva, and today I'm doing a Fabletics Leggings haul. I'm gonna talk about my two favorite leggings that I recently bought at Fabletics, and I'm absolutely obsessed. If you wanna continue watching this video, please give it a thumbs up at the bottom, and let's get started. No, I just said let's get started, but before we get started, I wanna talk about the VIP membership with Fabletics. I was a little skeptical to join because I wasn't sure what it entailed, but I recently went to the Fabletics store that was closest to me. Make sure you look that up online and see, because they have multiple different locations. And when I went to the store, the Fabletics rep shared with me all the benefits of being a Fabletics member. Now, it is a subscription, but the good thing about this subscription, you can skip anytime you want. What I do is put a reminder the first week of every month to make sure I skip the subscription. But if I have the money and I'm ready to splurge and get a dope fitness outfit, Fabletics has tops, outwear, bottoms, sports bras, a variety of different things. And it comes in different colors, comes for different shapes, sizes, height, literally absolutely amazing. On top of it, once you become a member, you get all the Fabletics discounts. Yes, all the Fabletics discounts. And every time you purchase something, you're just gaining points. Once you get to a certain amount of points, you know what that means? Free goodies. Who doesn't like free stuff, right? Definitely recommend signing up and becoming a member. I'll make sure to link that down below. Are you ready for me to talk about the two leggings that I'm absolutely in love with? I'm gonna talk about the leggings and the benefits of them and why I like them. Then later on in this video, I'll put them on and you can see how they look. Let's do this. Okay, the first leggings that I love. They are the Oasis high-waisted pocket leggings. Here they are. These really cute olive green. They go all the way down to my ankles, perfect length. I got the extra small short, and they have regular and for tall, so it's perfect. They're stretchy, elastic, made out of polyester and nylon. They have these really cute pockets on the side, so it's perfect if you're going for a run and you don't want to wear a backpack and you just want to stick your phone in your pocket. These are amazing. Why? Well, I can wear them around the house. They are perfect for yoga and Pilates. They're even perfect for going to the gym or going to go run some errands. They come in all different colors and they're just so comfortable. So definitely recommend these leggings. It's just like a really great essential to have. These leggings, the original price is $74.95, and if you are a member, they're only $54.95. That is why you have to become a member. Second pair of leggings are the Mila high-waisted capri leggings. I have them in this like really cute maroon purpley color, and I also have them in black, which I'm wearing right now, and I will show you in a little bit. But these are freaking amazing. They really hold in your tummy area and you feel so supported. So these are really perfect for when you're lifting weights, you're at the gym and you're lifting heavy weights. They are totally squat proof. I got the ones with the side mesh. Just think it adds like a little something, and they're just so cute. You can't really see it right now, but you will see it when I try them on. I love it. It just feels so supported. They are definitely tummy control, moisture wick, and they come in all different colors. I got the capri ones, but I do believe they have the legging ones as well. I'll make sure to link both of these leggings down below. I also got this really cute sports bra that goes with it. So if you wanna do like that whole matchy, it has this like very cool back, makes it very trendy, and it's super comfortable. And so also these leggings, I got them in an extra small. And it just depends. I feel like Fabletics is true to size, but I can be an extra small in small, and I am an extra small in Fabletics leggings. So the Mila high-waisted capri pocket leggings, the original price is $64.95, and if you're a member, it's only $49.95. This is why you need to become a member. So now that I've talked about both the leggings, are we ready to see them on? I think yes. Let's do this. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I post every Monday. I'm Jessica Shiva. I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, wash your hands, social distance, and I will talk to you later. Ciao.